self-MHC restriction. So self-MHC or self-major histocompatibility restriction is very, very important phenomena. It tells us that for an appropriate immune response, means in case of adaptive immune response or immune response that is the cell-mediated immune response, usme jo T cells, they should be recognized and respond to antigen. It is very, very important that there should be the proper binding or association of the antigen with the MHC or major histocompatibility complex. So how it happens? That means that every time the foreign antigen presented to T cells must be self-MHC. That means that the antigen that are present or that are entered inside the body, it should have a foreign nature. It is considered as an unknown self. So जो इम्यून सेल्स हैं जैसे एंटीजन प्रेजेंटिंग सेल्स, वो उस एंटीजन को रिकग्नाइज करेंगे और उसकी प्रोसेसिंग करेंगे और आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग दे वुड प्रेजेंट टू टी सेल्स. तो उसकी प्रेजेंटेशन में जो MHC की एसोसिएशन है विद द पेप्टाइड्स ऑफ एंटीजन, इट वुड बी सेल्फ MHC. So that means that in this particular case, the antigen would be foreign in nature, or you can say that known self, while MHC is considered as a self MHC. अच्छा, अब एंटीजन जो है वो नॉन सेल्फ क्यों होगी? क्योंकि वो एक इन्फेक्शियस मॉलिक्यूल है, इन्फेक्शियस एजेंट है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट हैज जस्ट टू बी क्लियर फ्रॉम द बॉडी. वाइल MHC जो कि हमारे जो ऑल न्यूक्लिएटेड सेल्स हैं बॉडी के, दे आर जस्ट गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस द लेवल ऑफ द MHC. तो वो MHC हर इंडिविजुअल की एक सेल्फ MHC है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई MHC वुड बी सेल्फ एवरी टाइम. In this regard, we know that the cytotoxic T cells, these are the very special kind of the T cells. So they has just to recognize the antigens which have the self class 1 MHC. तो cytotoxic T cells सिर्फ उन्हीं antigens को recognize करेंगे जिनके साथ class 1 MHC is going to be restricted. So that phenomena is called as self-MHC restriction. Similarly, in case of helper T cells, जो helper T cells हैं, उनके ऊपर जो receptors हैं, which are called as TCR, T cell receptor, they will only recognize those antigens which are going to associate with class 2 MHC, और वो जो class 2 MHC होगी, that would be self-MHC. So this is the very important kind of self-MHC restriction, and that is very, very important regarding to the appropriate immune response against the antigens which are going enter inside the body. So this process of self-MHC restriction, it is going to happen inside the thymus. So thymus, we know that is the primary lymphoid tissue. जो primary lymphoid tissue है जहाँ से T cells और T lymphocytes की maturation and development होनी है, that site is very important. जब T lymphocytes वहाँ से mature होंगे और differentiate हो रहे होंगे, so they recognize, they have an information that they have just to recognize only those antigens which are bounded with self-MHC restriction. अगर those antigens they are not bounded with the self-MHC, so T cells they are not going to recognize. So this is another important check. So cell to cell interaction और cell mediated immune response में जो antigen की recognition है by T cell receptor, it is mandatory that that antigen would be associated with self-MHC. वो क्लास 1 MHC भी हो सकती है, वो क्लास 2 MHC भी हो सकती है. It would according to the nature of the antigen, and that's why an appropriate immune response would be generated. Otherwise, there would not be appropriate immune response would be there. That's why this phenomena of self-MHC restriction is very, very important regarding to production of appropriate immune response.